Ever wondered how a simple idea can change your life? Let me show you. These aren't just books. They're the start of something big, powered by AI. Watch closely as the numbers climb. This is where the magic begins. AI can write stories faster than you can blink. See it in action. And with a click, stunning illustrations appear. No artist required. Even the voices are AI generated. Listen to the future of storytelling. This started as a simple idea. This sound of a cash register, cha-ching, is what happened when I fed it to the machines. Just a few months ago, I was a broke teacher, barely making ends meet. Now I run a fully automated money machine that prints best-selling children's books while I sleep. And the craziest part? I didn't draw a single picture. I didn't write a single word. This is the wildest side hustle of 2025, and I'm going to show you the exact AI engine I built to do it. Welcome to BotBuilt, where we build the future of income, one algorithm at a time. My name is Alex, and 90 days ago, I had a crazy idea. What if I could use AI to create an entire business from scratch? Not just as a helper or a simple tool, but as the entire autonomous workforce. A digital CEO, marketer, and developer all rolled into one. This isn't a theory. This is my AI assembly line that built a six-figure business. Let's open the hood. Station 1. The Story Forge. Every great product starts with a single, powerful idea. This is where the raw material is created. I plug directly into the most advanced creative engine on the planet, ChatGPT 5. My prompt isn't a lazy write a story. Specificity is key. I command it. Act as a best-selling children's book author. Create a story for 4, 6-year-olds about a dragon who's afraid of fire. It must have a clear moral, a 3-act structure, and rhythmic, repetitive phrases for read-aloud engagement. Boom! In 10 seconds, I have 10 story concepts. I pick the strongest one and tell the AI to refine it, flesh out the characters, and punch up the dialogue. The AI is my tireless ideation partner. Station 2, the art department. Now for the real magic. I take a key line from the story, a single sentence, and feed it directly into the visual engine, Midjourney. My prompt: a cute, friendly young dragon looking shy and nervous, hiding behind a tree, digital illustration, Pixar style, vibrant colors, 4K, children's book illustration, R2, 3E. I generate 4 options, pick the best, and upscale. I do this for every page. In just 1 hour, I have a fully illustrated book. A process that traditionally would have cost me $3,000 and taken 3 months of back and forth with an illustrator is now compressed into a single afternoon. Station 3, the sound studio. But why stop at a physical book? To maximize my intellectual property, I use ElevenLabs to instantly create an audiobook and narration for YouTube videos. I clone a friendly storytelling voice. I feed it the manuscript. In minutes, I have a perfect emotive narration. No mic, no soundproofing, no edits. Station 4, the marketing machine. The AI even markets itself. I use ChatGPT to write YouTube video scripts, Amazon product descriptions, and social media posts. I use CapCut's AI to automatically create viral short-form videos from my artwork and audio. The system promotes the product I told it to create. Station 5, the fulfillment bot. I don't hold inventory. I upload the PDF and cover to Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. They print, ship, and handle all customer service for every single order. I'm completely hands-off. Every morning I wake up to sales notifications and royalties deposited directly into my account. This isn't a side hustle, it's a fully automated money machine. Here's the truth they won't tell you. AI is not a magic button. It's a powerful but dumb tool. You are the conductor. You have to guide it, refine its output, and add the human touch. I spent hours tweaking prompts. I rejected hundreds of AI images. The AI is the paintbrush, you are the artist. The money machine doesn't run without a pilot. The result? A business with near zero overhead. A product that can be created in days, not years. And an income stream that's almost entirely passive. I didn't replace artists or writers. I became a creative director, leveraging a new kind of workforce. Ready to dive deeper? Check out these resources and join the revolution. Scan the code for instant access to exclusive tools and tips. What product could you create with an AI assembly line? Tell me your crazy idea in the comments. For my free prompt cheat sheet and a list of all the exact tools I use, the link is in the description. If you're ready to build the future, you need to be on the right side of this revolution. Subscribe to BotBuilt and let's geek out.